Hello friends, in today's video I will teach you word chain. This question comes for 1 mark and is a very easy and scoring question. तो चलो समझते हैं word chain को examples की help से. First example, complete the word chain of verbs. Here you have to write a chain of verbs and the first verb that is given to you is call. Now, what is the rule that you need to apply? You have to follow this rule. Take the last letter of the given word. The last letter is L. So you have to write the next verb. Remember, it's a word chain of verbs that you have to make. So the next verb that you have to write should start with L. So we will write look. You can write any other verb starting with the letter L. It can be learn, listen. I have written look. Now, the last letter of my verb look is K. So my next verb will be know because it starts with K. Know ends with W. So therefore, the next verb that I'm writing should start with W. So I have written write. The last letter of write is E. So my next verb will start with E. That is, I have written eat. The last letter of my verb eat is T. So the next verb will start with T. So I have written talk over here. So friends, call, look, know, write, eat, talk is a chain of verbs starting with call. Similarly, let's take another example. Complete the word chain of nouns. Now here, tree is the first word that is given to me. So the last letter of tree is E. So my next noun should be starting with E. So I have written year. Remember, you can write any noun that is starting with the letter E. So I have written year. My last letter of year is R. So the next noun should start with R. So here I have written rat. The last letter is T. So the next noun should start with T. So I have written train. The last letter is N. So my next noun should start with N. So I have written nose. The last letter of my noun nose is E. So my next noun is I. Friends, have you noticed that you are expected to write any 4 words? 4 blanks will be given. But yet, I have written 1 extra word. Just in case if I make a spelling mistake or so, then the extra word takes care of it. Now let's take another example. The last example. Complete the word chain of adjectives. And the word given to me is clean. The last letter of clean is N. So my next adjective starts with N. I have written neat. Last letter of neat is T. So my next adjective starts with T. That is tidy. Last letter of tidy is Y. So my next adjective starts with Y. That is young. The last letter of young is G. So my next adjective starts with G. That is great. And great ends with T. So therefore my next adjective is tall. It starts with the last letter T. So friends, this is how you are supposed to write a word chain. I hope you have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Bye.